How to fix your device ran into a problem and needs to restart in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hello everybody and let's get started. If you are facing this blue screen error, here is some of the solutions. The very first step is boot into safe mode. Restart your computer and continuously press the F8 or Shift plus F8 during the boot process until you see the advanced boot options. Thereby select on safe mode and press enter. Once this is done, next up you can move to checking on the Windows update. For this, you can either open Windows plus I to open Settings app, or you can simply type it on the search bar. Once the Windows Update settings is open, go for the Windows Update and check for updates. If there is any available updates for your system, make sure to install it. Moving on to the third step would be updating the device driver. For this, you can either press Windows plus X and select Device Manager from the menu, or simply type for Device Manager in the search bar. Now you can expand each of the categories and right-click on each device to update the driver. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions to update the driver for each of the categories. Next up, we have Run System File Checker option. For this, you have to press on Windows Terminal Admin from the menu in the search bar. Once you have seen it, it will open an interface like this. There are 3 commands that you need to press. The very first one is the system file checker to scan and repair corrupted files. Type in sfc/scan now and it will do so. Moving on to the next solution would be performing system restore. For this, you have to go to the settings and click on system. Scroll down until you find recovery, tap on it and then reset your system. So this were some of the solutions that you can try on. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.